Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of A sound. AA is the first letter of the alphabet. It makes the A sound, just like in apple. As word recognition. A for apple, a sweet and crunchy fruit. A for ant, a tiny but strong insect. A for almond, a healthy and tasty nut. A for arrow, a sign that shows direction. Can you think of more words that start with A? Writing practice. Let's trace and write A and A. Follow the lines carefully and write both uppercase A and lowercase a. Say the sound A every time you write. Activity. Beginning. Sound recognition. Look at the pictures below and write the first letter. Aeroplane, a apricot, a alligator. A great job, you're learning fast. More vocabulary. Here are some more words that begin with A. New words: aeroplane, a flying machine, apricot, a small juicy fruit, axe, a tool used for cutting wood, alligator, a big reptile with sharp teeth, ambulance, a vehicle that takes sick people to the hospital, R, a word we use in sentences. Wow, you did an amazing job learning about the letter A. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know all the letters.